Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you all here once again. I am going to be sharing with you today how I get these beachy curls even if you don't go to the beach. So let's go. So getting beachy curls doesn't just start with my curling iron. It actually starts with a couple products I use right after I get out of the shower. The first product that I use is the volumizing mousse. Once my hair is almost dry in natural elements without using a blow dryer, I run this at the tips of my hair and then I work it down. The next product that I use is this argan oil treatment. It helps provide the shine and also is a heat protectant. So I use this as well when my hair is damp. I let my hair dry naturally to where it's almost dry but a little damp still, and then I just blow dry my roots and then work down to my ends. So to achieve beachy curls, after I use those products, I will separate my hair into smaller sections, unlike my everyday curl tutorial where I used bigger sections. So I'm just going to separate my hair. And then pin it up with one of my clips. I am using a 1-inch curling iron and I will link this below. So I'm just going to take very small sections, maybe about 1 inch, and I'm just going to start curling my hair like so. And now I will leave this curl here and not touch it until the very end. So I will do my whole head, curl my whole head, and then I'll come back and you will see at the end where I will brush through my curls. So don't touch them. Let them sit there in this curling position until the end. And finish a good portion of my hair and come back. So as you can see, I went ahead and did a good portion of my hair, and the reason I did it off camera was because it does take some time to curl individual sections of between 1 inch to a 1/2 inch section of hair. But I did want to show you real quick that the higher up that I get on my head, the smaller the curl I do. And the reason I do this is because the different curls kind of give that more natural look and texture. So some of them are bigger like on the bottom, and then they get to be a little smaller in size up at the top. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the top section of my hair. And like I was doing before, I'm going to do some big and some small. So as you can see, these are pretty tight curls compared to my everyday curl, and I'm going to finish this up and then show you how I get the texture and look of the beachy curl. Alright, so as you can see, I went ahead and curled the remainder of my hair. Like I said previously, it does take a little bit of time because I'm doing such small portions. So I did do some of that off camera. But this is what the final product of curling my hair looks like. and I have not brushed it out or done anything this entire time filming or curling my hair. I like the curl to hold in the position as long as possible, so it maintains a lot of the consistency of the curl. So now that I've curled my entire hair, what I do is I go back and I use a flexible finishing spray, and this is a product I've been using for a little while now. It was used in my everyday curl video. All of these products that I've used today will be linked down below so that you can get them yourself and know what they are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm going to lightly spray all these curls. Okay, now that I've lightly sprayed my hair with a finishing hairspray, I'm going to use a wide comb. It's got both ends, but I'm going to use the wider end. And all I'm going to do is just brush through these curls like so. And as you can see, the curls are holding up pretty well. And there's a nice texture. Alright, so I brushed through all of my curls, and I'm gonna go back and now use the smaller end of this comb to tease my hair. So I take small sections like this and I just back comb it, teasing my hair just a little bit, giving it extra volume and texture. And then I'm gonna tease my roots like normal. Alright, so the last thing I like to do is just spray my hair over one more time. And voila! This is the final product. I have been wearing my hair like this so often, especially over the summer months. It really just gives that kind of fun and flirty look, a lot of beach kind of vibes going on that I just love with the tighter curls. So I'm calling this video my beachy curls. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends. I have so much fun doing these videos with you all. So thank you so much, and you'll see me next time.